We're doing it on Omega, episode 416, part 1. This is TRI-BRIDAGE TRI-GOON versus TRI-BRIDAGE Melfi. It's gonna fractal. Send itself, send kit. Oh shit. Kit, Nerval, Karis. Normal summon kit. It's gonna banish 2. And then a effect failure, negating its effect. Karis, discard, fractal, special summon itself. It's gonna do another 2. Got another Veiler for him. Bearbrum, and he's gonna set. I think this was the Revolt, I'm not sure. But he does have 2 in there. Or the Revolt can do from Banished as well. Pot of Prosperity. 1, 2, 3, banish. And 1, 2, and 3. Which one did I take? Talent. Normal summon, Link, effect, dump Nerval, add fractal. I've already normal summoned this turn, so I set. It's gonna battle, attack, destroy, inflict damage, fractal, kit, Nerval, add back, or add fractal, normal summon fractal, activate effect, banish 1, 2. It's gonna end permit right here. It's like, should I attack? If I would have attacked, you would have gotten the Revolt, but I did not attack. Battle, he is going to attack. It's gonna destroy itself, so Bearbrum can get the Revolt and then put a card back to the bottom of the deck. It's gonna set the Revolt right here. I got an Imperm for him, but I don't have a monster to negate in order for the infinite impermanence to negate that column. Banish 2, and he's gonna imperm. Now this column is, since that imperm was set, is negated. Direct attack with fractal. He draws Dino Wrestler Pancratops, special summon. Then he's gonna Revolt. Oh, the imperm, negating its effect to negate this column. I'm not sure if he was able. I'm pretty sure he was able to quick effect that. No, can he? Quick effect to tribute itself, lose the target, and then the Revolt would go through. I don't know. Nerval. It's gonna banish 1, 2, infinite permanence. Pancratops destroys fractal, and then Almirage. When a normal summoned monster you control is destroyed by battle, all this cards in your graveyard, you can special summon this card. You can only use this effect once per turn. Okay. Nothing happens, but 0 attack. Tribute summon for Psyframe Driver. Attack. I thought it was gonna be able to call by the grave the Nerval. But I wasn't able to. I set the called by. Fractal. I could call by the grave fractal. Banishing it, negating its effect. Karis, oh. Banish 2 for double Dragon Lords. Pancrotops destroys Almirage. For some reason, I still take the same amount of damage. But I somehow win this one. Oh, he was going because he panked. Watch, he panked, tribute itself, pop, and then I was still on main phase 1. Triple tactics talent. When your opponent activates a monster effect during your main phase this turn, you could activate one of these effects. Well, I chose draw 2 cards. Pod agreed, and Heart of the Cards guide me. Karis. I'm not sure why he didn't do double Dragon Lords here. Karis, banish those 2 for Bearbrum, and then Bearbrum and Karis for Rugal. Bearbrum, add me the Revolt, and putting back the Gamma. I should have kept the Gamma. Not sure. Oh, he's gonna put back. He's gonna send to the graveyard to spin, return, set the Revolt. You attack and activate Revolt. Right into Shureg. I'm not sure why he wasn't able to activate its effect here. Why you can't activate his effect when he's attacking? What? Quick effect, you can send 1 card from your hand or field to the graveyard, then target 1 face-up card you control, return to the hand. Like, he had another one in his hand, but he's attacking, so I don't know how that interaction works. But yeah. TRI-Brigade effects, dump, add, banish. And that was on his turn. Sun Fractal, and it was over from here. Shureg, finish him. Let's duel wins. Game 2, he probably would have won. He did mess up. He messed up. Where did he mess up again? Not so good of a hand here. He's gonna Melfi Puppy and end phase special. Well, since I control no monsters, Sideframe Gear Gamma. Special summon driver from the deck, negate its effect, in end phase they get banished. Fractal. Dump Kit, dump Nerval, add Karis. Discard any type of beast. Discard special summon. Effect. Banish those 2 for Farrajeet. What is this? During main phase, you could special summon 1 level 4 or lower, any type of beast. Any type of beast from your hand. Also, you cannot use link monsters. For the rest of it, you cannot. Except beasts. Oh, okay. Yeah. It's gonna imperm that. And then I was like, wait a minute. If I tribute itself, does it still get the grave effect? No. No. So I went into Anaconda, Farrajeet, draw, and then put to the bottom of the deck. Well, over to Anaconda, pay 2,000 copyright as fusion. Dragoon, pop and burn, and Kit was going to send from deck to graveyard. Roll Ash Blossom. And attack, attack. And that's it. Oh yeah, this guy right here. Alpha. I had to, because he was going to return itself to return. Face up monsters, yeah. It does not target. So I had to. Dragoon negate. He had cat right here. See who's gonna screw up somewhere here. Cat tribute special from deck. Effects are negated. Goes into properly link summon. Farajit. Oh god. Kit dumped Nerval. Nerval had Fractal. Right here is where he screwed up. He was supposed to normal summon Fractal. Yet he uses its effect to send itself to send Nerval. That cost him the game. He attacked with destroyed Verte with Farajit. I drew a card. Fractal. Dragoon pop and burn. Farajit's gonna draw and put to the bottom of the deck. And didn't even normal summon. Dragoon, finish him. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Oh, that wasn't flawless. I took damage. Does he have a deck? He does have a deck. Afri Panda, 416. 416. Okay. Alright. Let's exit. Go online. We were at 1192, 1112, 416. Where is that? 416. This was a good tech card for this. It's a beast as well, so let the net decking begin. Three Karas, huh? Double kit? The hell is that card? One cross out. Avermax, wow. Triple Shureg, Deagle. Second cross out. Not bad, not bad. This one right here is pretty good for this deck. He main decked it too. Wow. You were at 260, still at 260. Come on. Comment, share, like if you subbed it. Sub if you liked it. See you guys.